Life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Hey, Kakay here and welcome back to Kakay Diary. So, if you can notice, I have a new mirror in front of me. So, this is my desk and ayan, si Half Moon na mirror. So, I'm not sure if na-share ko na to. Parang hindi pa sa vlog. But then, if you follow me on my Instagram stories, ganyan, you'll know na I have this mirror na. Ayan. So, sobrang cute lang kasi nga, ang ganda niya! So, usually kasi itong Half Moon na to, parang usually mas maliit siya sa mga online shops, ganyan. So, this one is a larger size. So, it's perfect. But then, hindi talaga siya para dyan. Actually, para dun siya sa likod. Dun sa may, anong tawag dun sa may drawer ko, if you watch that vlog. So, dapat doon ko siya ilalagay. But then, for now, dito muna siya. So, ewan ko. Parang gusto ko lang muna yung placement niya dito. But, let's see. Anyway, so for this video, nakita niyo naman na sa title. So, we are going to do, nakataas lang yung paa. We are going to do a makeup look. It's just like a natural, fresh na makeup look. Because, nagpadala si Perfect Diary. Ito siya. So, sobrang cute. Sanrio collection nila. Tapos, yan, si Card Captor Sakura. Tapos, may mga lipis sila, mascara. May patisyo pa dyan. Tapos, may mga makeup brushes din sila na sinend. Tinext lang. Pinadala. Walang ganun. Hindi ko alam paano ginagawa yung mga ganito. Anyway, if you guys are interested in watching, in knowing, in seeing this makeup look, please keep on watching. So, before we start, I just want to share with you guys how my vanity work area looks like because, ewan ko, kasi yung mga products na ginagamit ko dito, it's really not that much. I'm really not the type of, like, person who collects makeup. Kasi may mga nakikita ako na parang vanity table nila, as in, drawer ng mga lipsticks and all. But the thing is, for me, as in, etong dalawa, ito na talaga yung makeup ko, tapos parang dito sa drawer, ayan, parang meron lang akong mga sunscreen and all that. So, ayun, these are the products that I have lang. So, for this part, may mga lipis lang tayo and may mga mascara, eyeliner, ganyan. And then, for this part, ito na yun. Like, may makeup palette, may eyeshadow palette ako. Yan, mga brushes ko. As in, guys, literal, 4 lang yung brushes ko. If you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos, isa dyan, putol. Okay, let me place you there. Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Ayan. By the way, guys, walang tutulog dyan sa likod ha. Unan lang yan. Huwag kayong kabahan. Also, if you're hearing some kind of noise, hala ka, baka may multo. No, because may construction kasi sa labas. So, baka lang may mga maingay or whatsoever. Actually, when they reach out, I'm really not familiar with the brand yet. So, when I did my research, chinek ko sila sa Instagram nila, sa Lazada, and all that. Famous pala sila na Chinese brand. Tapos, ang dami nilang mga products na kino-cover. So, ang dami nila nilang mga cute na makeup palettes, gano'n. Tapos, sikat din pala sila sa Lazada kasi nga, madalas sila nagpapa-giveaway or nagpapa-promo and all that. For the first item that I'm going to show you guys is the makeup brushes that they sent. As in, hindi ko talaga alam na magpapadala sila ng makeup brush. And I'm really happy since I've mentioned a while ago that I only have 4 makeup brushes. Kasi for this one, it's 10 pieces. Ito siya. And then, it comes with a container and then meron din siyang cap na. Ayan. So, naka-plastic siya individually but then winosh ko na lahat ng brushes kahapon. Yun nga, kasi nga before, yung mga makeup brushes ko, hindi ko sure kunwari pang eyeshadow ba siya? Pang something ba siya? Or what? Yun. So, parang first time ko magkakaroon ng brush na parang may purpose. Like, may description talaga siya kung para saan siya. Do you get what I mean? Yung sobrang napansin ko talaga siya kahapon is sobrang lambot niya, guys. Kita niyo ba? Parang pag ginano mo siya, as in, like that siya. As in, pag ginano, tapos, oh my God, ang lambot. Okay, so for the first step that I usually do when I do makeup is, of course, sunscreen, diba? Kasi sobrang important talaga ng sunscreen. As in, may mga nababasa ko na you even have to do sunscreen, to apply sunscreen kahit na nasa bahay ka lang. Kasi syempre, naaarawan ka pa rin naman. Kasi ang pag naaarawan ka, it doesn't necessarily have to be like a direct sunlight type of naaarawan, ganyan. So, ayun. So, pero hindi ko masyado ginagawa yun. Usually lang when I go out. But, kung gusto mo, ganon. So, I'm using the Bello Tinted Sunscreen. And then, sometimes pala, I also use the Biore. Ito, si Biore Aqua Rich So, yun lang usually yung ginagamit kong dalawa, salitan lang. Kasi, both are really good, really light on the face. And, ayun, parang feeling mo na wala kang suot na sunscreen, which is perfect. Kasi, di ba, tendency ng sunscreen, very malagkit, sticky sa face, mabigat, ganyan. So, ayun. I really like this too. So, you apply lang din a bit sa neck. Do not forget the neck. Ayan. Okay, so done applying sunscreen. So, usually for me, I don't apply foundation anymore. Kasi before talaga, naglalagay ako. Pero I just really feel na ang heavy niya talaga sa face. So, since I don't use foundation anymore, I just use directly yung concealer, ganyan. Yes! Ganun na, makeup guru ka, girl. So, I just used my, ang tagal na nito eh, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles. Yun. So, this is my go-to na concealer. And, yun, conceal lang. So, I just usually put sa under eyes ko and then gawa ka lang ng V-shape, ganyan. Kasi, ito yung mga napapanood ko sa mga makeup vlogs. So, gayahin na lang natin, diba? Kasi hindi tayo pro. So, and then, depende lang kung saang spots ka. May dark spots, ganyan. So, dab-dab mo lang siya dyan. Ayun, so, something I've learned na for concealer is you have to leave it first dyan para lang mag-absorb siya siguro and all. If ever na may mali akong ginagawa or whatsoever, I hope that you guys can comment down below and let me know. I would really, really love to learn about that. And for sure, mas marami sa inyong may alam about makeup and all that. So, yeah, definitely open to learn. So, next step, after applying the concealer na hindi pa natin nabiblend, I usually go directly to applying my kilay. Ayan. So, eyebrows, I use my Benefit na Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade. Charot, in the shade. Oh my God! My makeup guru dreams. Number 3. Kasi for number 3, medyo red-ish siya. Since colored yung hair ko, mas bagay siya. So, the thing is, with Benefit, it's quite expensive. Parang siguro mga 1.6 ganun. So, ewan ko, kasi ito talaga yung nagustuhan ko na very easy to use and really okay yung application niya. Since angled na rin siya, ganyan. Pero kasi, siguro something next time pag naubos ko to, I want to invest in Careline. Yun. Kasi meron akong friend, si Arlene. Hi, Arlene! If ever na meron kayong makeup gigs na kailangan nyo ng makeup artist, you can definitely contact her. Lagi ko na lang sa description box below yung details niya. Ayun, so sinabi niya sa akin na pag Careline daw is a good alternative. And I think 100 plus lang ata. So, yun yung gusto ko talaga i-try. Also, Easy & Co. I'm not really sure if meron siyang brow pencil, but yung brow tint naman nila, yung gusto ko i-try. So, sobrang okay din since parang local brands din and we should support ng local brands. So, ayun. So, I'll try if ever na. Pag naubos ko na to, definitely yun. Itatry ko rin yun. Update ko kayo. Ayan. Okay. So, we are done with the eyebrows. Let's move on to, ayan, blending our tawag dito, concealer. Ayan. So, I'm using the foundation brush, flat top foundation brush. Tama ba? Feel ko naman pwede kasi since parang medyo liquidy din sila. Ayun. So, usually, under eye circles din yung problema ko. So, bilang puyat tayo, puyat nation, kakanood ng The World of the Married. Okay, so let's try this one na. So, this is the Weightless Soft Velvet Blurring Loose Powder. Ayan. If you can see, sobrang cute! Ito yung character sa Sanrio. Tama ba? Tapos, yung pangalan niya dito is si Cinnamoroll. Cinnamoroll? Cinnamorine! Okay, so let's open this up. I haven't seen this yet. And tingnan natin. Dun, 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 dun. Ah! Ah! Alam yung game sa Wawawi ba yun? Yung lalabas. Okay, open na natin. Ah! Okay. So, ayan. So, this is a loose powder and blurring siya. So, I guess, it's quite matte. Meron ako nakikita mga review nito na gumagawa na okay daw talaga tong loose powder. Wait. Sana makuha ko, no? Within the day. Oh, ang ganda niya. Okay, so it looks like this. Ito siya. And then, nakalagay lang Perfect Diary, Cinnamoroll. And then, clear yung canister. Canister. Ayan. And then, let's open this up. So, it also comes with the white brush. Ayan. So, ayun nga, nakikita ko na yung mga review na sobrang okay daw nito kasi it's really, really fine. Sana all fine. And then, ayan, it also comes with this powder thingy. Let's try this. Oh, wow, ang bango ah. Parang florally. It's fine and it's quite matte on the face. So, perfect. I think perfect to kapag may mga oily face like me. Kasi for me, combination ako. So, like yung T-zone ko, yung oily. So, for the next item that we are going to unbox is this one. Sobrang cute. As in, nakita ko talaga to. Sobrang cute! So, this is their Card Captor Sakura na gift box. And, ang ganda lang niya ng packaging. Ganyan. Tapos, super perfect din ito kapag gifts, ganyan, sa girlfriend mo, o kaya sa iyong partner, or like to your friends, ganyan. So, this one is their compact powder. Ang ganda, as in embossed dito yung ano, yung logo niya. Galin mo, ganyan. Okay, so this is their Eye and Cheek na palette. So, let's open this up. Yan. Ay, ang ganda ng kulay! Ayan. So, this is my mirror. Hello! So, ito yung mga colors na available niya. As you can see, like, medyo darker pink. Tapos, may mga glitters. Oh, so pwede din pala to pang highlight to. Ayan. Tapos, maganda pang eyeshadow. Wow, purple! Okay, I'm really excited. So, yung mga iba dito, medyo matte. Tapos, may mga iba na shimmery. So, ito muna. Ito, try ko. This shade. For this one, medyo subtle siya. So, I'm going to use this one na parang, I think, pang blush dapat to. So, something that I've noticed sa kanilang eyeshadow palette is hindi siya ganun kapit agad. So, you really have to add layers and layers pa para lang mas maging matingkad yung color. But definitely, if this is something na gusto mong very light lang sa iyong face, you can go for this. Pero pigment-wise, I guess not that much. Hindi siya sobrang kapit talaga. Okay, so last one sa eyeshadow, I just want to try this purple one na glittery. Ang saya, ang glittery talaga niya. Parang may party sa mata ko. Hi guys, so I decided to change my angle since it's getting quite dark over there. So, dito na lang in front of the window para mas kita niyo yung makeup. But then, right now, this is the status of our eye makeup. Sobrang cute niya. Very subtle lang, but then, may pop of color pa din. So, it's quite pinkish. And then, if you can see, may nginig. If you can see, very glittery siya. Ayan, nag-add ako ng konting glitters. So, I've used the purple one. Ganyan. Sobrang cute. So, I'm just going to use the same shade that I used in my eyeshadow. So, let's hop on to the mascara. So, they also sent us two kinds of mascara. So, they have the black one. Ito siya. Sobrang cute to. Ang ganda ng packaging niya. Sobrang sleek lang. And then, they have the new one, which is the white one. So, yung difference nila for this black one is for the mascara na sa taas, upper line. So, this one naman is mas thin siya. So, perfect for lower lash line and also eyebrow. Eyebrow tint. So, ayan siya. Ito ang kanyang mascara. Ang ganda. Black na black. Mukha siyang caterpillar. Caterpillar! Ayan. So, it looks like this. Ang kanyang mascara na very fine ang kanyang bristles. So, usually, if like natural eye look ganyan, or like when I go out, I don't use mascara. But then, for the sake of this video, let's try. Kita niyo? Kita niyo yung difference? Oh my God. I really like it. Ooh. Ay, hala, nakalimutan ko maglagay ng ano, to. Maglalabas ko pa. It's really, really good Ang haba na niya agad. So, ang ganda. Super perfect nito. And it didn't smudge at all. So, very fine talaga ang kanyang ganon. You get it? So, very full lash talaga. Ganon. So, I think it's much better if you use eyelash curler then for that full effect. But then, since natural look lang naman ang gusto nating i-achieve, ganyan. So, okay na yan. Okay na yan. Tapos, next one naman, we are going to try the other one, the other mascara. Wait, let's see the exact name. High Definition, Long-Lasting, Multifunction Mascara. Dami niyang ambag sa life. Okay, so this one, it looks like this. Just the white one. Ang cute! Mukha siyang... Sasabihin ko mukha siyang maliit na tornilyo. Yung parang spring sa mga ballpen. Ganyan. So, it's really, really fine, guys. Ang liit niya talaga. Okay, so let's try this sa lower lash line and later sa eyebrows naman. Since it's just really small, you can easily apply it sa lower lash line without having it touched na mga, alam mo yun, parang usually nagsusmudge kasi kapag malaki yung applicator. Ayan, lagay din tayo sa ating eyebrows a bit. So, it's quite reddish yung kulay niya. So, by the way guys, for the eyebrow tint, I usually use this Benefit also. And then, same shade na 3. But then, yun nga, with Benefit kasi, it gets expensive. But for me, super sulit talaga niya. So, if you guys want an alternative, I can suggest this one, using this one. So, same effect naman siya. And then, you just really have to blend it out. So, we are now down to our last step, which is for the lips. Okay, so I want to try this one. Ito kasi yung part ng Cardcaptor Sakura na gift box. So, this is, ang ganda ng packaging guys, if you can see. Medyo pinkish siya na gloss, ganyan. It reminds me of the olden days. Olden days, alam mo yung mga kabataan mo na parang lip gloss, tapos may glitter sa gilid. Gets niyo ba? Wait, so ayan. So, it looks like this. Tapos yung applicator niya is the, anong tawag dyan? Foot dough. Charot, tama ba? Basta, nakakatawa. Ayan. So, medyo pagilid siya. Medyo angled. And then, it's quite pinkish red for the shade. Hindi siya yung very watery type. So, medyo creamy. Ayan yung kulay niya. Uy, I really like the shade. Parang medyo siya corally. So, I didn't add that much. Naglagay lang ako sa taas. Tapos, parang ginanon ko na siya. Mam. Ganyan. So, I really like it. Very fresh lang din ang kanyang shade. So, aside from this one, which is part of the gift set, they also shared with me 3 types of their lipsticks. So, this is their water stain. Tama? Light shimmer water stain. So, they shared with me 3 shades. Ayan. So, see H11, 12, and 13. Ayan. So, eto mga lip stain nila, I think, ano siya, long-lasting siya. And also, hydrating sa lips. Wait, let me open it for you guys. Hindi ko na siya syempre ilalagay sa lips ko, pero i-swatch ko na lang sa inyo. Yes! Magsa-swatch si sis! Oh my gosh, guys. Parang feeling ko first time ko magsa-swatch. H11 is quite red-ish. Tapos, ito medyo pink-ish. Tapos, ito medyo berry. Ito si 13, 12, 11. Yan. So, isa-swatch ko na lang sa inyo. And then, it looks like yung packaging niya, medyo kamukha siya nung, nung mascara. Ganyan, no? Very sleek lang yung kulay. Ay, okay. Ang ganda. Clear yung gitna niya. Ah, okay. So, very red-ish to. Tama ba yung ginagawa natin? Oh my God! Ganito pala mag-swatch. H12 is, okay, medyo berry nga to. So, ang ganda din ito for sure kasi nga, parang mas may shimmer siya. First one is the H11. So, it's quite of red-ish. Tapos, next one is the H12. Ito naman medyo pink-ish. Ayan. Tapos, last one is the H13. Ito yung medyo mix siya eh. Medyo berry. So, it really looks hydrating ha. Kasi parang hindi siya yung matte na drying sa lips. Gets nyo ba? Ayan. So, there. I think this is our makeup look. Hindi lang masyado kita yung blush. I think because sa window din natin na very, yung light. But then, here kasi, when I see it, it's quite pinkish na. So there, I hope that you guys had fun chikaing with me and experimenting with this look. And then, I really love the outcome because, ewan ko, parang ang fresh niya lang tingnan since very light lang ang overall face. Pero at the same time, may glitter, may pop of fun and color and all that. Overall, I really liked all their products and very promising talaga. Siguro eyeshadow palette lang, medyo matagal lang siya i-apply since hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented compared to siguro other brands. And I really like the color nila. And at the same time, yung glitters. Ayun. So, I guess, if set mo naman na siya bibilhin, sulit na din siya. So, you guys might want to check that out. And also, before I end this video, of course, I won't miss this opportunity to share with you guys a giveaway! Yun! So, every time I partner with brands, I really make sure and ask them if, are you open for a giveaway and all that, ganyan. Para lang I can give back to you guys since I know na you guys really love that. And of course, makeup din. Dami din siguro yung may gusto sa inyo. Ayun, so just check the mechanics down below. Nagbiblink na yung battery. Okay, so before I end this video, I just want to do a quick shout out to two wonderful, amazing communities. So first one is si Charles Justin Mendoza at Charlita. And second one si Girl at Jujang. Ganyan. So thank you so much guys for watching. And yun, I really like the makeup look that I achieved. And I hope that you guys also. And yun, thank you so much guys for watching. Till the next vlog. Bye! Stay safe! Ingat kayo!
If I could take you up in boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.